Welcome back, curious people. So as we've seen throughout the book, we've run across these constants of epsilon and mu, and what they really are is a material's response to the external fields. Permittivity leads to the measure of polarizability or polarization, and that's why we have a P here in the auxiliary equation. The permeability is the measure of magnetic polarizability or magnetization, which is what we see here in M. What I really wanted to take a second to point out was how similar their construction is as far as the constants are concerned, but then the yin-yang nature of the fields, where we have D is equal to some part E plus P, and the auxiliary field H, which some consider this to be the magnetic field, and B to be the magnetic flux. What we see is that we have a reciprocal here with the constant and a minus sign on the result. So take that into account. But why are these together? Well, given that the chi's here are a tensor, when we're in free space or a vacuum, that leads to zero. There is nothing to orient. And so these quantities are tied together in free space, and that's where they become, when we multiply them together, 1 over c squared. And if we solve for c, we see that this equals the speed of light. And to me, that is fascinating.